Biad is a new tool that has been introduced to SOLIDWORKS recently. It is a small coordinate plane that pops up when adding an angular dimension to your sketch. We're going to start off with a simple sketch of a couple lines. To fully define the sketch, I need to add an angle dimension to one of these slanted lines. Start the Smart Dimension command. Next, click on the line that you want to dimension. Next, click on a point of the line that you also want to dimension. I prefer the one that's closest to the vertex. Once doing this, the biad will appear. The arrows shown are the options for which direction you want your dimension to go. For this example, I'll choose this arrow and move my mouse to where the new angle dimension now pops up. As you can see, a reference construction line shows up to show that the angle is in relation to the horizontal or vertical line without having to add another line manually to account for the dimension. We'll try this again with another line to show you that this can work for any angular dimension you wish to put. Click on the line and then click on a point of the line and click on an arrow. Biad is yet another feature SOLIDWORKS provides to increase efficiency of your work.